Every second counts in a cardiac emergency, and an automated external defibrillator, or AED, needs to be ready at a moment's notice. But an AED isn't a set-it-and-forget-it device. Regular maintenance ensures it functions when needed most. Despite common misconceptions, AEDs require routine checks, battery replacements, and software updates to stay reliable. In this video, we'll cover how often AEDs need servicing and what to check to keep your AED in peak condition. An AED is designed for ease of use, but several components require monitoring. Most AED batteries last 2 to 5 years, depending on the manufacturer. Electrode pads expire every 2 to 4 years and must be replaced even if unused. Some AEDs also require occasional software updates to stay compliant with medical guidelines. Each manufacturer provides specific servicing guidelines. Batteries should be replaced every 2 to 5 years or as indicated. Electrode pads should be replaced every 2 to 4 years or immediately after use. Most AEDs perform automatic self-checks, but manual inspections are still essential. To keep your AED ready, follow this checklist. Check the status indicator. Most AEDs have a readiness light or screen. Verify battery life to ensure it hasn't expired. Inspect electrode pads to confirm they are sealed and within date. Look for error messages or warning beeps that signal servicing is needed. Ensure the AED is in an accessible location. Watch for signs that servicing is needed. Beeping or error messages may indicate a low battery or system issue. Expired pads or batteries should be replaced immediately. Physical damage, cracks, or missing parts can compromise performance and need attention right away. Having a working AED is essential, but if your facility doesn't have one yet, now is the time to act. Ensure your home, workplace, or community is equipped with an AED before an emergency happens. Visit AED.us to explore our selection of AEDs and find the right device for your needs. Don't wait. Be prepared to save a life today.